Do you have ADA rights for hearing loss at your job? If you're living with hearing loss and working in the United States, you might wonder what protections you have at work. The answer is the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA. This law is designed to prevent discrimination and make sure everyone has equal chances to succeed, no matter their disabilities. So let's explore what this means for you and your hearing loss. The ADA applies to most employers with 15 or more employees. It covers private companies, government agencies, and employment agencies. Under this law, if your hearing loss is significant enough to limit your ability to hear, it is considered a disability. This protection applies even if you use hearing aids or cochlear implants. The law looks at how well you hear without devices, not just with them. If your hearing loss affects your ability to perform major life activities like communicating or understanding speech, you are protected by the ADA. You are not required to tell your employer about your hearing loss when applying for a job or at any point unless you need a reasonable accommodation. A reasonable accommodation is a change or adjustment that helps you do your job better. Examples include captioning for meetings, assistive listening devices, written instructions, or flexible work hours for medical appointments. Employers are obligated to work with you to find solutions that support your work. Your rights also mean your employer cannot discriminate against you because of your hearing loss. You should be able to get hired, promoted, and treated fairly as long as you can do the essential parts of your job. Employers cannot make assumptions about your abilities based on stereotypes or myths about hearing loss. If you need an accommodation, you should request it. The employer then has a duty to engage in a dialogue with you to figure out what adjustments are reasonable. If your employer refuses to provide accommodations or treats you unfairly because of your hearing loss, you can file a complaint with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. It's important to act quickly because there are strict deadlines for filing claims. The EEO investigates complaints and can help enforce your rights. Living with hearing loss at work can be challenging, especially in noisy environments or during group discussions. You might miss important information or feel isolated. To overcome these challenges, self-advocacy is key. Be clear about what you need and educate your coworkers and supervisors about hearing loss. Many workplaces are becoming more aware and supportive, but open communication is often the first step. Remember, millions of Americans with hearing loss work successfully with the right support. The ADA exists to help level the playing field and ensure you have the same opportunities as everyone else. If you're unsure about your rights or need assistance requesting accommodations, consider reaching out to disability rights organizations or legal experts. Your ability to contribute at work should never be limited by hearing loss. Support and accommodations are your rights, and they're there to help you thrive.